There's truly nothing like that first bite into a Reese's peanut butter cup. The perfect harmony of creamy peanut butter and rich milk chocolate feels like pure magic. But have you ever wondered how these iconic treats are made? Behind every Reese's cup is an incredible journey of careful craftsmanship, precision engineering, and high-speed automation. From roasting the finest peanuts to pouring silky chocolate, every step is designed to guarantee that same irresistible flavor in every single bite. Today, we're unwrapping the secrets and taking you deep inside the factory, where millions of Reese's cups are crafted daily. Which part do you think is the most exciting? Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures. It all begins with one key ingredient: high-quality peanuts. Inside the massive factory, raw peanuts are carefully selected according to strict standards for size, freshness, and rich flavor. Every batch is inspected to ensure only the best peanuts are chosen. These selected peanuts are then loaded into giant industrial roasters, where they are slowly roasted under carefully controlled temperatures. Roasting plays a crucial role because it brings out the peanut's natural sweetness and develops that signature, rich, nutty aroma loved by millions. Technicians meticulously monitor the timing and temperature to prevent burning and ensure maximum flavor is achieved. Once perfectly roasted, the peanuts are rapidly cooled to lock in their freshness and aroma. Only the finest roasted peanuts move on, forming the strong, delicious base of every Reese's peanut butter cup. Once the peanuts are roasted to perfection, they move straight into the next exciting phase: grinding. Inside the factory, the peanuts are poured into massive industrial grinders that crush them down into a smooth, creamy peanut butter. But this isn't just ordinary peanut butter. Reese's follows a special recipe that carefully blends in a small amount of sugar, salt, and stabilizers. These extra ingredients are key to achieving Reese's famous sweet, slightly crumbly texture. The consistency is crucial. The peanut butter must be soft enough to melt delightfully in your mouth, yet firm enough to hold its shape inside the chocolate cup. After grinding, the peanut butter flows into giant heated tanks, where it is kept warm and silky smooth, perfectly prepared for the next critical step: filling the chocolate molds that will become delicious Reese's cups. While the peanut butter is being perfectly prepared, another specialized team inside the factory gets to work crafting the signature Reese's milk chocolate. A carefully measured blend of cocoa solids, cocoa butter, milk powder, and sugar is combined and slowly melted to create a rich, velvety chocolate base. But the journey doesn't stop there. This chocolate mixture undergoes a delicate and essential process called tempering, where it is heated and cooled through a precise cycle. Tempering is critical for achieving that perfect glossy finish and the satisfying snap when you bite into a Reese's cup. Properly tempered chocolate also ensures the coating stays smooth, silky, and resistant to melting in your hands. Timing is crucial. The chocolate must be ready at the exact moment the peanut butter filling reaches the perfect texture for injection into the molds. Now comes the fun and fascinating part: forming the iconic Reese's cups. It all starts with a generous layer of melted milk chocolate, which is carefully poured into specially designed cup-shaped molds. These molds are placed on a vibrating conveyor belt, which gently shakes the molds, causing the chocolate to spread evenly and coat the sides perfectly. Thanks to the precise spinning and vibrating action, the chocolate forms a perfect little shell, ready to cradle that delicious peanut butter filling. After the shell forms, the chocolate is quickly chilled to harden and lock in the shape. Inside the factory, hundreds of thousands of these chocolate molds are produced every hour, each one identical in shape, size, and thickness, guaranteeing that every Reese's cup delivers the same unforgettable experience with every bite. Hope you're enjoying it. Like, subscribe, and stay updated. Once the chocolate shells have hardened perfectly, it's time to add the real star of the show: the creamy peanut butter filling. Using automated precision filling machines, the factory deposits just the right amount of peanut butter into each chocolate shell. Accuracy here is critical. If too much filling is added, it could overflow and ruin the delicate structure, but too little would leave fans disappointed. The peanut butter settles neatly into the center, creating that perfect balance of chocolate and filling that Reese's is famous for. Interestingly, the slightly grainy texture of Reese's peanut butter isn't accidental. It's carefully formulated to give that melt-in-your-mouth experience with a hint of crunch. Throughout production, Constant quality checks ensure every cup maintains the same delicious standard across every batch. After the peanut butter filling is perfectly settled into the chocolate shells, it's time to top off the cups with another rich, smooth layer of melted milk chocolate. This final chocolate layer seals the peanut butter inside, locking in all that incredible flavor and freshness. To achieve the perfect finish, the cups go through a second tempering process, ensuring the chocolate sets with the ideal sheen, snap, and firmness. As the cups move down the production line, they pass through specially designed cooling tunnels, where the chocolate is gently but quickly solidified to prevent any cracks, air bubbles, or imperfections. The finished cups now proudly display that classic dome top that Reese's fans instantly recognize. Once completely cooled and hardened, the Reese's cups are ready for their next journey, wrapping and packaging for the world to enjoy. With the Reese's cups now perfectly shaped and cooled, they move swiftly to the wrapping machines. Here, each cup is carefully wrapped in its signature orange and brown foil, a process that operates at lightning speed. Wrapping serves two important purposes. It protects the candy from damage and preserves its freshness, while also making it instantly recognizable to fans on store shelves. The foil is precisely crimped and sealed, ensuring that each Reese's cup stays tightly covered until it reaches eager hands. High-speed machines can wrap hundreds of cups per minute, flawlessly tucking each treat into its iconic packaging. Once wrapped, the cups are carefully sorted into trays, boxes, or multi-packs, preparing them for shipment to stores across the country and around the world. Before Reese's peanut butter cups are sent out for distribution, they must pass through rigorous quality control checks. Trained inspectors and high-tech vision systems work together to ensure that every cup meets Reese's strict standards for shape, weight, chocolate coverage, and overall appearance. Random samples are also pulled from the line for taste testing to guarantee that every batch delivers the same beloved flavor. Any cup that doesn't meet the standard is removed from the line. Maintaining high quality is crucial because Reese's fans expect perfection in every bite, and the factory team works hard to deliver exactly that. Once the Reese's cups have passed inspection, they move on to the packing stations. Here, the cups are grouped into packages from single servings to family-sized bags, depending on customer demand. Carefully packed boxes are then loaded onto pallets and prepared for shipping. Whether by truck, ship, or air, Reese's peanut butter cups travel across the globe, making their way into the hands of chocolate lovers everywhere. From bustling cities like London and Tokyo to small towns across America, Reese's has become a global sensation. All thanks to the seamless factory operation that produces millions of treats every single day. That's the amazing story of how Reese's peanut butter cups are made from simple peanuts into a world-famous treat. Every step, from roasting and grinding to chocolate molding and wrapping, is a perfect blend of craftsmanship, technology, and passion. Next time you unwrap a Reese's, remember the incredible journey it took to reach your hands. It's not just candy, it's a little piece of factory magic. Feeling hungry yet? Which step amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to grab a Reese's, take a bite, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing factory tours.